mu muzannyo gw'omupiira mu ddakiika mbale okuva kati. Uganda yakuzannya eggwanga erya Senegal mupiira ogwokubiri mu kibinja B mu mpaka eza CHAN nga ze z'abasambi abaguchangira mu liigi ez'ewaka. Omupiira guno gwakuyindira ku 19 May 1956 Stadium mu kibuga Annaba mu ggwanga erya Algeria. Uganda yakola amaliriga 0-0 n'eggwanga erya DR Congo mu mupiira ogwaggulawo.
Of course, it's big games that make players to be identified. We won't shy away with due respect to their big brand and them being powerhouses. We know we will make it, and that calls for a lot of self-belief, and players have that. It will be so historical that we will have 4 points if we win, given that we have one already, and that will be a step closer to making history.
Like I did say the other time when I talked to them, as far as we are concerned, we have done our part as government. I want to thank the President of FIFA, National Council of Sports, and the government for facilitating the team to be here. Now the rest is up to the team, actually the players, to prove that in the field. And I'm very happy the players are determined. They have promised to me they want to make history, and it's about them individually. So ours is to give them encouragement, the rest we leave to God.
Senegal yakuba Ivory Coast gole mu kuweerera mupiira gwabwe ogwasooka. Era nga guno mulundi gwa kusatu nga Senegal ezanya mu mpaka zino eza CHAN, so nga Uganda ezanya mu mpaka zino mulundi gwa mukaaga yadde nga tevangako mu kibinja. Abel Chitaka, Salt TV, Omunyo.